Samuel. Now I am going to take class 10, chapter 1, light, reflection and refraction. Okay, links of part 1, part 2 and part 3 are given in the description. Have all seen those videos. Let's go to the video. Now I am going to discuss about ray diagrams for the formation of image by a concave mirror when the object is at different positions. First of all, first position is here coming when object is at infinity. So I am drawing here a concave mirror. First case when object at infinity. Okay, concave mirror, invert curve mirror, concave mirror. Then I am drawing a principal axis. Now I am marking the each points. This is Paul, P, focus and center of curvature. Principal focus and center of curvature. I already said this first position is when the object at infinity. So object kept at infinity. So the rays are coming from infinity. Minimum 2 rays we needed to complete a formation of image. We need minimum 2 rays. So first of all, first rule for obtaining image is, what is that? Do you remembering first rule for obtaining image? That is, when any ray is coming from parallel to the principal axis, and after reflection it passes through focus. Yes. Okay, after reflection it passes through focus. Next is second ray also coming from infinity. Same rule is here using, same rule. I already said minimum 2 rays are needed to complete formation of image. Same rule is using, that is parallel to the principal axis. Incident ray is parallel to the principal axis. After reflection it passes through focus. Okay. Here we got one intersection. We can see here intersection, that is meeting. Here one meeting. We can see here at focus, principal focus. So here one image is forming. The image, the position of the image is, we can say here, that is at principal focus, and the nature of the image is real and inverted, and the relative size or size of the image will be the, yes, highly diminished or highly smaller size or point size. We can write like that. Okay, these are the features. We can write first of all, position of the object is object at infinity. Then image is position of the image at a principal focus, and nature of the image real and inverted. Then next, size of the image is highly diminished. Diminished means smaller size, highly smaller or point size. This is the first position or first case. Okay, second position is when object is beyond center of curvature of a concave mirror. Second is when object is beyond C. C means center of curvature. Okay. Again I am drawing concave mirror, then principal axis. Okay. Next I am marking the points Paul, focus and center of curvature. Here the case is position of the object is beyond C. So now I am extending this line, principal axis extending Okay, beyond C, object is beyond C, so object keeping here. Using the first rule, friend, you should start from top of head of this object. Okay, this is the first rule to get the obtaining image. Parallel, the incident ray is parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, it passes through focus. Okay, now first rule completed. Next, we are using third rule, that is any incident ray passing through the center of curvature. After reflection, it retraces its path. This is the third rule. Okay, third rule. So here we can see a meeting. Two incident rays or two reflected rays are met here. So we can draw one image from the principal axis to this point. That is, we getting a real and inverted image. Real and inverted image. Where we getting in between center of curvature and principal focus. Real and inverted image, size diminish or smaller size. So we can write the position of the object at beyond C, position of the image between C and F, that means center of curvature and principal focus. The nature of the image is real and inverted, and the size of the image is diminished. See, object is this much and the length of image is very small. So here image is diminished, relative size is diminished. Here third position is when the object at C itself, at the center of curvature. When object is at center of curvature of a concave mirror. Third case or third position is when object at C, okay, at center of curvature. Concave mirror, principal axis, pole, focus and C. Here object at C itself, at center of curvature. Then first rule is using first rule, that is parallel to the principal axis. Then after reflection it passes through focus. Then here using next rule is second rule. Second rule is when an incident ray is passing through the principal focus. After reflection, it passes through the parallel to the principal axis. So we getting here these two rays are meeting at this point. So here we getting a image, downward image we got, that is real and inverted image we got at C itself, at center of curvature itself we got same image. That means same size we got, same size of image and object. Here the features are position of the object at C, position of the image at C means at center of curvature, nature of the image real and inverted, and size of the image is same size as that of the object. Next is the fourth position. In fourth position, when the object is between center of curvature and principal focus. Okay, fourth one, between principal focus and center of curvature. When the object is between principal focus and center of curvature. Concave mirror, Paul, principal focus, C, okay, object keeping in between F and C, okay. First rule, here using first rule, after reflection passes through focus, okay. Next we are using third rule is through the center of curvature, retraces after reflection, retraces and passes through C itself. Okay, here is meeting. You should use one scale when you drawing this ray diagram. You should use pencil and scale, okay. Here we got the image. Downward you can see one image that is larger size, that means magnified image. We got magnified. See, this is the object. Our object is kept between C and F, principal focus and center of curvature. Here beyond C we got the image, image form beyond the C, beyond center of curvature. That means this is enlarged image we got, or magnified image we got. So we can write position of the object is between F and C. Okay, position of the image beyond center of curvature. Then nature of the image is real and inverted, and the size of the image is enlarged or magnified. The position of the object is fifth position when object is at principal focus. Fifth one at F, principal focus. Okay, Paul, focus, center of curvature. At a focus, object is keeping at focus, okay. This is the head of this object and tail is here. Okay, from the top head, incident ray is moving parallel to the principal axis. After reflection, passes through focus. Okay, next using third rule is when incident ray is passing through the center of curvature, it retraces same path. Okay, these two rays are not meeting here in this board. This is meet at infinity. So the size of the image will be highly magnified or highly enlarged. So we can say here used two rules. What are the two rules here? First rule and third rule. Okay. Position of the object is at a principal focus. Position of the image is at infinity. Then nature of the image real and inverted. Okay. Last position size of the relative size of the image is highly enlarged or highly magnified. Next position, sixth position is when the object is between pole and principal focus. Sixth one, between pole and principal focus. Concave mirror, then principal axis, pole, focus, center of curvature. Here given position is between pole and F, pole and principal focus, object, this is the object. From the head of the object, a ray is moving. After reflection, passes through focus. Okay, you should use scale and pencil. When you are drawing a ray diagrams, should use scale and pencil. Okay, then after reflection it passes through focus. Then here using third rule. After the first rule, using third rule. Third rule. You should touch the head. Okay. Right side extending. That means behind the mirror, these rays are extending with the dotted lines. With the dotted lines. After that, these two dotted lines are meeting. From there, you join and draw one dotted image. Here we got an erect and virtual image. Erect and virtual image. So we can conclude that is object between pole and focus. Position of the image is behind the mirror. Okay. Then the nature of the image is erect and virtual. Erect and virtual. Erect and virtual. This is virtual. We feels like or appears to meet only. So we can say this is a virtual image. Erect and virtual image. Then size of the image is enlarged or magnified images we got. Here form a magnified or enlarged image. Now I am wind up in this video. I think all clear about ray diagrams. If you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe, like, share and comment. We can see in the next video.